The levels in which the currencies are expected to swing in this week. Euro could come down to 1.07 and then go up to 1.10 level, and they've gone up to that 1.0920 and then dropped, and they will come down again and then start making the rise. In the case of GBP again, they could come down another 100 pips or so from the 1.279 area. Then they could pierce the high and go above. In the case of yen, as I explained, when they are gaining the levels in the case of euro and GBP, many will be expecting USD and USDCHF to drop drastically, but the players are gaining the levels again. So they quickly gain the level to 110 in the case of USD yen, when euro and GBP have gone up. Well, this is the trick they do by making a contrarian move. As a result, you find the yen crosses will also start gaining the levels. So if you simply look into that of the technicals in the case of yen crosses, you'll be surprised to see that they start making the one-sided upward move, but the technicals may not be able to explain it. And you'll be really, you could get trapped on the wrong side. And you know that in the case of crosses, they make the spread is also high between the bid and the ask, and also they make about 100 to 300 pips one-sided move. Then if you're on the wrong side, you might lose your short. Then USDCHF, they come up to 0.99 and they will go down further before making an upward stop. And here they are done already the upward stop and up to 1.01 area and then start dropping. In the case of Canadian dollar, they are making the high level consolidation with frequent upward stop, and they will just make the stop around the 1.35 and suddenly make a drop. So they hold high and build sell positions. And if you take sell position, you may not be able to see the profit immediately because they are doing the high level consolidation with frequent upward stop to make a further downward move in the case of USDCAD. Similarly, in the case of Australian dollar, they are doing the lower level consolidation with frequent downward stop, and then they are expected to continuously gain the level as a one-sided gain in the case of Australian dollar. So they are making extreme moves in the commodity crosses, commodity pairs. As a result of the commodity crosses like EURUCAD, GBPCAD, or EURUSD and GBPUSD, they show the extreme levels. So this is how they handle the market. So they handle only the 6 pairs, and with which they are able to bring innumerable type of moves in the other crosses. So if you think that the crosses are influencing the major, then we have to believe that the small traders influence the big banks to take the positions. It is like that.